Hi guys, so this is a front camera video from the Samsung Galaxy A51. Before I show you the entire videos, I would like to have a word with you guys. I've been working very hard to shoot these videos. In fact, when I was shooting the slow motions today, my entire clothes got wet while popping those balloons, and then I had to see a little bit of dirt on my clothes too, a little bit of mud. So that is how hard it gets. And then this phone doesn't have a time frame for the super slow motion. You just have to be really accurate with your action and with pressing the super slow motion recording button on the camera. So keeping in view the amount of hard work, I do not get the equivalent response. So I would like to request you guys to please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you keep supporting, keep giving me your constructive criticism so that I end up improving all of my videos. Now this front video, it's in the 4K resolution and it's in the 16:9 aspect ratio. Galaxy A51's front camera shoots 4K, 1080p and 720p. The same goes for the rear camera as well. However, this phone lacks the 60 frames per second for the front and the rear videos. So now I'm going to show you around in the 4K resolution from the front camera. And other thing to keep in mind is that this video that you're watching right now, it's being shot through a gimbal, but I'm going to show you the shots without a gimbal as well. This is a front 4K video without a gimbal. The stability is not very good and you can see that the entire video is really shaky. I think that you cannot use it in the 4K resolution while your device is handheld. It's not going to help you vlog. Also guys, I totally forgot to mention that you need to tell me about the mic recording quality, because at the moment I'm not sure how is the mic recording quality. I can just see that the video is really shaky with the handheld mode. Now this is a front video in the 1080p resolution. I believe that this video will be a little bit stable, then a little bit more stable than the 4K video. However, the result is not very different. Once again, I'm going to show you around. And now this is handheld with 1080p. I'm walking very slow and my hand is really stable at the moment. But the fact remains that this is a handheld video and the stability is not very great once again. I think that you can actually vlog in the 1080p mode, but your hand needs to be super stable and super steady.